Well, we're anticipating our first snow for the year, so I thought I'd come back and gather up a trailer load of brush so we can put it on the burn pile, just in case we need a sledding bonfire. And since it is the holiday season, a snow would be really nice. This will also clean up our milling area down here. Get some of this stuff out of the way. It piles up fast. We started off this morning at around 50 degrees. It was actually warm, but we've already dropped into the 30s up here. And like I said, maybe we'll see a little snow. And to me, to be the first one out after a fresh snowfall and put the first tracks in the snow or watch the animal tracks as they walk through, that's always really neat. And down here by the pond, as soon as it snows, they pretty well circle that thing, getting water and things like that. We got the most out of that tree. Very little waste in it. Some of the stuff we're going to be able to get a couple sticks of firewood out of. The chainsaw mill has turned into a fun hobby, but it's also a lot of work. I mean, dealing with the tree, brought it up here, limbed it, hauled the brush away, as we're doing now, and milled it, but there's a lot of work there. But you can see the benefits sitting over there in the pile. It definitely does make some unique possibilities for different build projects that we have going on. And so far, so good. I mean, it's just a lot of fun to work with. And honestly, I'd have had to pick this stuff up anyway. Various tree limbs and things falling throughout the year, and we've been fortunate so far. We've simply cut down the trees that was already setting pretty much dead on the stump, so we haven't lost anything there. I consider it a nice gain over it just being cut into firewood. Because I have to pick these sticks up no matter what we do with it. This is a never-ending job. It does keep me busy. But if we have a snowfall and actually get the bonfire lit and have the grandkids over and play on the sled a little bit and have a fire to stand next to and get warm, that's perfect. And the mule loves dragging the sled. Another benefit to chainsaw milling, if you're cutting cedar, This is green, so it'd have to set all season, but next year you talk about some fine kindling. Bust that up, my goodness. Start a fire in the fireplace pretty quick. Pretty much any of this stuff would work really well. I'm gonna get the rest of this picked up, and then we're gonna get the pulling out for the first time since we put the new carburetor on it, and give it a try on some of these slabs here. A couple of sections that I want to cut out of that before I send it up to the burn pile. We can use a little bit of it for firewood, and maybe this one end here will even make a nice bench. This stuff's cold. I have had this saw for a long time. We actually started the golf course because we started cutting through here with this saw, and it's laid down a lot of trees for us. Get away from this stuff. Start to sneeze. There you go. It's all run good. Just a little bit of snow this afternoon would really top off a really nice quiet day. It looked great on the ground. And I can see the cleanup after the sawmill material is going to be pretty simple. I mean, all this stuff will go right to the pile. And I did have some tree limbs left when we cut these limbs out of here in a previous video in order to get this milling area set up. And it's really starting to come together. The sawdust is starting to flatten out the ground here, a little easier to walk around. And we keep going this way and we're going to have a better view of the pond as well. I hope you guys are having a good day. I know a lot of you up north has already had really good snowfalls, and I really hope that we get one this afternoon here. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to take this trailer loader brush up to the pile, and just in case we get a little bit of snow, I'll be ready for some sledding with the grandkids. Thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great day. I'll see you on the next one.